Introducing Accudemia 7.0 New Appointments. To create a new appointment as an administrator, click on the Quick View drop-down and select a new appointment. Type in the student's name. Search the correct activity or location by typing either the name of the center or the service you're looking for. Then choose the subject area from the list. Find a time slot with an available tutor, or use the filters to narrow down your options. Lastly, confirm the appointment information on the appointment preview and click Confirm. That's all you need to do to create an appointment using the new interface. In case you need it, the previous methods to make appointments are still available for administrators and can be accessed from this list on the right.